Well, welcome to another video here at Attrell Toyota in Brampton, 110 Canham Crescent. And I'm excited to be able to show all the new technology, new hybrids, new engineering that's happening around the Toyotas. Especially right now, we are taking a look at the Corolla Cross Hybrid. We've done talks on Corolla Cross before, but this time the hybrid comes and it's bringing power, it's bringing more agility, and we're gonna have fun driving this one around. Stay tuned. Well, this really stands out in the sharp color of black, and the XSE comes with a two-tone look to it. This is the SE model, and it's really sharp on this sunny, beautiful day today. Got some ground clearance of about 8 inches, which is close to that of the RAV4, making it very easy to get in and out, not like a typical Corolla. That's why it's called the Cross. It's got towing capacity of 1,500 pounds, and it is something that we're finding lots of people are interested in this one. So please make sure you make an appointment to check this out. I'm going to do a little bit of a comparison between a RAV Hybrid, the XLE model, and this one here. So Toyota is trying to make sure the electric car option is very accessible. If RAV4 is not your price range, but you like the feel of it, the Corolla Cross can deliver some of that to you, and it's the way to go. This RAV, it's shown here, it's the most popular hybrid of the RAVs. It's the XLE model, and it's got around $1,000 difference in price between the XSE of the Corolla Cross. This one here is not the XSE, so it is going to be the mid-range of it, the SE, but still can give you a good idea and glimpse of what you're experiencing in the hybrid as well. So like really nice, stands out with the black badging on this one too, and we're going to show a little bit of the work on the road as well. The acceleration to 100 is around 8 seconds, which is really good, and that's comparable to the RAV4 as well. And I feel that this is the first step they should have taken, because as far as making a Corolla Cross a hybrid, because it really has a great feel to it and just meets the needs that you want for speed and acceleration and all that. So I'm really glad that they finally came out with this one. The RAV, again, it is superior in a lot of different ways, but is not as nimble as the Corolla Cross. The Corolla Cross Hybrid is for those who are seeking that stylish look to it. It has a 2.0 dynamic force engine, where the RAV has got the 2.5. It is the 5th generation, which the RAV is only carrying the 4th generation. It's got 196 horsepower in it, and that's more than the Corolla Cross gas for sure. And RAV has got 215, so again the performance is a little bit better, but you don't notice that. But this has got the combined fuel of 5.6, where the RAV only has 6 liters per 100 kilometers on that. So 5.6 to 6 liters, really good that way. And it has Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, and we'll look into that a little bit more, but we'll test this on the road. Well, we're going to jump into the interior look here before we do. There's the fob, that's how you get in. You can use it by having it in your pocket and touching the door, but we'll just open this up quickly, being able to see. Again, with the SE, there's nothing more fancy about that with the cloth seats. Nice little stripes there with the blue sort of piping and stitching around. But we're going to sit in here and start it up just to see what it looks like when it comes alive. Maybe get both screens in here. You can see. This has not been set up to a personalized person yet, so that has not happened yet. But again, just very straightforward, nothing fancy. We are in a Corolla, but being able to see all your creature comforts here, which this is great because it comes standard with heated steering wheel and heated seats in all the models. Really good for the wheel, leather wrapped. Nice having the intuitive buttons there for that. And then you have your gear shift with the drive mode. So pushing down on the drive mode, you just see on your information screen the modes that you want, and then that sport option is there. And yes, it does add a little bit, and you have these little paddle shifters here to help you assist if you want some more peppiness in your step. Well, as we're driving down the road, it's just good to note different things about this vehicle. One, that it's got the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 and listed on the screen there for you, but just really helpful aids in finding your way around. I hope not to set any of them off, but you'll just have to believe me that some of these things works as far as even pre-collision and detecting people walking, pedestrians. Let's get that out. Cyclists, and motorcycles as well. But they've got a greater range on their cameras now, so it's being able to see more of the peripheral vision that normally your eyes can't see coming into intersections and heading down the road. It's just amazing what's the technology that's out there, and that it comes in the package of this car. It's not you know, a high-end luxury car, but it has all those features to bring you those comforts as well. And we're kilometers of 100 kilometers in about under 8 seconds, and so that's really good for a Corolla. They're not known for their most performance that way. This is just really that good commuter car, but just to know that you can have that addition, and it comes with that hybrid power, which is adding a lot more. It's 15% less space, but it's underneath the seat, so that it's more convenient. It doesn't take away from the cargo space in the back, and so that's what is really handy about having this sort of SUV look to the Corolla Cross. All right, hitting sport mode from 0. Here we go. Definitely flooring it. Hitting 100. Great feel. Well, thank you for joining us on another video from Actual Toyota. I just thought I would end off with this beautiful white color that it came off the truck just this morning. The Corolla Cross Hybrid. Make an order, come visit. Love to see you and have you experience this vehicle.